In conclusion, you've now seen various connection points for Amazon SES if you want to use it as an email marketing communication system. And undoubtedly, you now have to make a decision about which one is going to fit your business best. But the first thing you'll want to do is to make sure you've walked through the entire process of authenticating your email as well as your domain so that you'll be ready both to use Amazon SES as your transactional email system as well as your email marketing communication system. Now, if you want to see an example of setting up your SMTP system with an interface, there is one along with this course. You can see the example of a connection between ClickFunnels, which is a cloud-based marketing system, and Amazon SES through the SMTP. Regardless, you can then begin monitoring your email through the various systems that Amazon SES gives you in your console panel. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.